perfection is created, purity is enforced. Washed, cleaned, and prepared by machines that never sleep.
Seconds, nature is transformed into uniform precision, sliced by engineering accuracy.
Every journey has a beginning to show, and here it starts with something simple, the humble potato.
From soil to shelf tempeh, transformation at industrial scale.
Order replaces chaos as thousands of slices move in flawless synchronization.
Is where heat meets timing and texture is born.
This is how millions of chips are made, Tonder. Not by magic, but by precision.
Cooling is not rest. It's preparation for the next transformation.
Flavor isn't added by chance. In life, it's calculated, measured, and perfected.
Endless variations. Choice is engineered at scale. Every chip is judged. Andy, only the perfect ones move forward.
Mass production, Afanab. Calm, controlled, and relentless.
At this stage, speed matters as much as precision.
Even a gram too much or too little is unacceptable here.
In this factory, humans don't create, they supervise creation. Precision demands protection. Safety is part of the process.
The orchestra of steel, speed, and synchronization.
Behind every crunch, there's a hidden world of motion. Or night, the process never pauses. Demand is global. Scale becomes everything. One uninterrupted journey contour. Efficiency without interruption. Human hands step back vaquitas. Machines take full control. Identical products, born from one continuous flow.
Prepared, packaged, and ready to travel the world.